Hi, my name is Ellen, and I'm going to be your student nurse today. Today we will be talking about skin health promotion and how you can safely and confidently examine your skin at home using an easy method called the ABCDE method. A stands for asymmetrical. So when you look at the mole, do you see any abnormalities? Is one side different from the other, or are they the same all around? B stands for border. So the border on the outside of the mole, is it rough or smooth? When you examine these, certain indicators can show that a mole could be precancerous or cancerous. C is color. So a multi-color mole can also indicate that you have a precancerous or cancer. The mole could show signs of malignant or so yeah, if there are any concerns with the color, you should talk to a healthcare provider and get it checked out. D stands for diameter. How big is the mole? The size can definitely help determine the cause or if there are any precautions that you need to take with the mole. And finally, E stands for evolution, and if there are any big changes in the mole, whether it's the size, shape, color, any of those can be big indicators that there's something going on with rather it being precancerous or cancer. It's very important to see if there are any sudden changes, especially if you've had a specific mole for your whole life and suddenly it changes. It can be a big indicator. Evaluating your skin is very important. Your skin can show many signs and indicators towards special illnesses or diseases, and it's very important to monitor your skin. It's also very important to make sure that your skin is healthy by maybe washing it in the shower or washing your face twice a day. I also advise to wear sunscreen whenever you go out in the sun, especially the hours between 12 to 2. That's when the sun rays are the hottest. It can cause skin damage and eventually lead to skin cancer. So by using the ABCDE rule, you can tell a lot from your skin, and it's important to keep monitoring it in case there are any big changes that can indicate that there is a problem going on. If you do notice any changes or alterations in the macule or mole, then it's important to contact a healthcare provider so you can make an appointment and get that safely checked out so you know that if there is something wrong, you catch it, or if there's not, then it's better safe than sorry. I hope this helps, and I hope you continue to use the ABCDE method. Again, A is asymmetric, B is border, C is color, D is diameter, and E is evolution. Thank you.